What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How-To. So today we're going to be installing a gate at the side of the house here, and what we need to do is mount the post into the side of the wall. Now this wall here is a brick wall, however it's got a rendered finish over the top of it. What we're going to be using are these easy drives from Ramset. They're probably the easiest way to anchor something or mount something into a wall. Very easy, straightforward. It's got a plug and a built-in screw that comes with it. It's a Phillips head drive, so it's nice and easy to install. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. So first thing we're going to do is drill some holes into the post so that we can put in our plugs. Now these ones here are 8mm plugs, so we're going to be using a 8mm drill bit. Drill some holes straight through. We'll put in 3 plugs. Now that we've got that, our plug should fit straight in there. So what we're going to do now is take this post, we're going to line it up onto the wall, and we're going to just simply mark up the location for our plugs to go into. So because this one here is a rendered wall, we don't want to damage the surface. What I'm going to do first is use my drill driver on hammer mode. That way it's not going to give it such a big blow on the wall and risk damaging the surface. Then I'll follow through with the rotary hammer and we'll go straight through those bricks. So we'll take a smaller size. Use the 6mm for now. So we're just going to put the post up on the wall, put a level on the side, make sure we're happy with the level. Once that one there is completely level, we can take our drill and just create little markings on the back so that we can drill through. Now we've got those 3 markings all lined up. The surface hasn't been damaged. We can switch over to the rotary hammer drill or the SDS hammer drill and go straight through. 8mm bit, and we're ready to go. So now we can take our 3 plugs, line them into position, tap them through just so that they pop out the back side. You can see that's starting to pop out. Do the same on all of them. And now we can line them up with the holes. You can see there everything lines up. Tap them into place. And now we take our drill and simply drive them in. And it's that simple, guys. Permanently fixed, perfect post, easy to mount into the wall. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How-To.